And welcome back to my channel for another unpacking or unboxing of Pokemon cards here in my channel. So, okay, and then we're gonna continue unpacking, right? So, mayroon pa akong ipapa dito. So, umpisahan na po natin, okay, without further ado. So, here it goes. Okay, let's gonna continue to unpack some new Pokemon cards. Okay, today here in my channel. So, I don't know what is this, okay, but let's hope to find another pick again today. So okay, and then okay, full art, and then also, and then as a magenta, okay, and a full art the skull, full art paras, and then a full art Dayansi. Okay, Tan Growth, a Mew V, Dirtwig full art, Rayquaza V, Volcanion, Zacian V, Marip, okay, full art, Solrock full art, Luxray, okay, and a Luxray, and also a Regigigas, okay, Regigigas V-Star, Manafi full art, okay, and then Hatarini VMAX, okay, another VMAX, and also Zamagenta, Simisir V Astro, and okay, I don't know what is this one, but okay, let's gonna check that out. Okay, so Suicune V and a Kildeo full art. Okay, so it's a water type. Okay, it's a water type. Okay, and then let's gonna check this out. Okay, I think I have this one. Yes, an Oma Star again. So another Oma Star. Okay, we have some another Oma Star. So let's gonna go to the shiny booster pack. Okay, okay. Okay, let's go to the shiny booster packs with a shiny reverse holo. Okay, shiny, okay, new Stone Journey VMAX, Amidotech, Dragapult, Voltant, Phalanx, Intellion VMAX, and a Dragapult. Okay, so nothing new, still having that same um, okay, having the same cards from the previous shiny Pokemon cards, and we've got some Eldegoss, Phalanx again, Toxtricity VMAX, okay, that's one, right? So, and then Olivia, Sandaconda, Victini V. Oh, I think I don't have this one. Okay, and a Lapras VMAX. Okay, I think I have a Victini VMAX, I think so. I don't I forget, so I'm gonna find that out. Okay. So also a Celebi, okay, and then a Lapras VMAX. So nothing new about this one, but I think I need to find a Toxtricity V. So checking that Toxtricity in here. So gonna have that one. Okay, I need to find that Dragapult V again. Okay, that another Dragapult, that one right there. So okay, that one right there is the nice one. Okay, that one right there is a nice one. Okay, I have it already, so I have the pair. And then the next is I'm gonna find that Toxtricity again. So where do I find that one? So I think in here. So I'm gonna have to find that Toxtricity. Oh, there you go, have it. Okay, there you have it. So that Toxtricity, okay, that one over there, the Toxtricity, okay, but I think I will need to find another art that's I need to find another art Lapras V. Okay, in combination with the Lapras VMAX. Okay, I'm gonna find that VMAX. Okay, gonna find that VMAX Lapras. So look at that right there. So when you look at that, so look at that Lapras V and a Lapras VMAX. So yes, right, you can gonna find something that which is very interesting to have. It's because there's there is a nice pick that you can finding. Okay, so just in case I have a Malamar V and also I have a Malamar V Max, I think so I'm gonna need to find that V. Okay, that Malamar V. So I think I have that one. Okay, I think I have that one, the Malamar V. Oh, look at that. Yes, there it goes. Okay, there it goes. It's the Malamar V and the Malamar V Max. Oh, nice one over there. So nice pick. Okay, this you can see anything is redundant, but as you can see the missing pieces of the VMAX in the V is that you can find it anywhere in the card. So that's why right here I just gonna have to find that. I think I have the V of this Capiraja, so I need to find that out. Okay, I think I have a more pack. I don't know if I have a more pack of that Milotic V. So I think I have a Milotic VMAX. Okay, gonna find that Milotic VMAX. Okay, gonna find that Milotic VMAX if I have that one. Oh, Morpeko V and a VMAX. Okay, that is an interesting one. Okay, there you go. This is an interesting one. Okay, there you go. There you have it. Morpeko V and a Morpeko VMAX. Alright. Alright. So the next is gonna find that Milotic VMAX if I have that one. So let's gonna check that out. Okay. I think I don't have it. As a Capiraja. I think I have the Capiraja VMAX. Okay, I think I have the Capiraja VMAX. Okay, gonna find that out. Capiraja. Oh yes, right one right there. So there you have it, the Capiraja V and a VMAX. Oh nice one. All of the Pokemon cards that I have been pulling out is having a pair of. Okay, so gonna find that Milotic VMAX. So if I have that VMAX, okay, if I have the VMAX of the Milotic. Okay, I don't have the VMAX. Okay, I don't have the VMAX. Okay, but an interesting fact about it is because you have to find the missing pieces of the VMAX of the Pokemon of the same Pokemon. You have to find that piece. Okay, right in that reverse. Okay, so okay, that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and then on to the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.